Viper, stand by. Viper, stand by.
Anthony, don't stop running. Get here, count your people, and shoot up the alley, okay?
Alright.
Alright, Viper, listen up. Game is live in 3, 2, 1. Game on, game on,
Count.
game on.
One. All team.
Whole team! Oh, crap. I can't. I think I hit Red Sox in the head on accident.
Hey, we got Panda, let's go.
Stay here, go.
Alright. Luca, go low.
I'm just checking. Wait, no, Whitney. Hey, move up. Guys, move up.
Dude, Luca, go back.
Good job.
I guess we're stuck here.
No, I think we can move up. Okay, move.
Hey, he's going under the truck.
Alright, yeah, let's move up.
What? He's under the truck.
Under the truck. Check shoes feet.
Hey, you go low.
The guys are in the building. They're in the building.
In the building?
I'm pretty sure they're in the building. One of them said hit.
Anthony, give me your frag.
Oh, my schmaw.
Give me your frag. Alright. Here,
Cover me.
the pin and stuff. Give me the pin. The pin.
It's not that.
Anthony, here. Hold the pin.
Wait.
Hold that. Here. Hey.
You're so nice, Luca.
Huh?
I said you're so nice.
Dude, oh, is it gonna blow?
No, it's not. It doesn't blow up.
Oh. Do you want the frag?
Give me the flag. Oh, no.
Frag out!
Did we get him?
Yeah, I got him.
Sweet. Alright. Hey, check above the rock. Hey, how about the guys in here? Is there guys in the building or what?
I don't know.
Hey, come on.
Rick! Grenade.
Hey, guys, move up.
No, that one. In your hand.
Go into the building.
The one in your hand.
The grenade in your hand.
Oh, no.
Give me my grenade back.
I don't think we're allowed to use that again.
I'm not.
1 minute, guys. Hey, come here.
Hey, you guys, come
Hey,
on.
guys.
Move up.
You guys back here, come on.
Hey,
Move
guys,
right here
guys,
with him.
go into the building.
Go into the building, building. Alright.
I got this.
Where are they?
Luca, is it clear?
Go inside the building and clear that out. There's guys up there, okay?
All right, come on.
No, I'm gonna be over here, okay? Clear that.
If you see Nike, that's something.
Nike's coming.
Oh, no. All right, see anybody who's coming over.
Doesn't matter if it's Sony. Stay away from the Nike.
Guys, there's a guy on the other side of the building, so he might come over or...
We're gonna get feet right now, Anthony. You guys, please stop. The guys are all the way to the
Oh,
back.
crap.
No one's coming out.
Hey, guys. Right corner.
No one's coming out. Hey, no one's coming out. That little building? Yeah. Wait,
Dude, you got an automatic gun, right?
Huh?
There's a guy.
Hey, give me your friend.
Oh, you have a frag. There was a guy behind the building right there. Come on. Get in.
Ready? Let's go.
I'm gonna go outside. Just follow me, right?
Go.
You guys go. Whoa! I didn't know we had you. Alright, we need to
Hit. These three are hit.
Alright, no, we can't move.
Everybody, yeah, get down.
Guys, gotta get off the side.
Well, I got him.
Alright.
It's nice. He's here.
Alright. Hold on. There.
Are they still up there? I don't know. Here, give me your friend.
Hold on. I got this, man.
What's the feature?
Oh, damn it. Yeah, it went on the roof.
What?
It went on the roof.
Oh. Rick!
You're gonna get it down.
Rick, that grenade went on the roof.
Can you get it? It's right there. On the balcony part.
Hey, Anthony, sit down and watch feet.
Well, after the game's over, but...
Oh, now.
Don't blind fire. Don't blind fire.
Yeah, better like shooting it off.
What about that building over there? Is he dead?
No.
Hey, do you have your other frag? I see staring at you.
Nah, just shoot
Wait,
him.
how many guys do we have left?
Oh.
Where's that coming from? No, it's not anyone, I don't think. What was that fire from? I don't know. Hey, alright.
We're pinned down. Where are you going?
Oh, be careful. I'm gonna get hit like right now.
I know.
Why is that little kid up there?
Oh my God.
Hit the center.
Ah!
Watch the tower, watch the tower.
Hold on.
What are you getting? Was that a BB thing?
Nope.
Wyatt!
You gotta give him covering fire.
Watch out.
Back up, BB thing. It's freaking loud.
Alright, I'll get covering.
Run across, run across. Go. Go. Ah!
Yeah, I'll lead it, I'll lead it. I'll lead it. Ready? Okay. Hey, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Someone dropped their mag! Ah!
Who dropped the mag?
Dog! Dog! You dropped Matthew's magazine. Alright, that's pretty sturdy.
Anthony.
I have a
Who's got a
pistol.
long-range weapon?
Get in here, go.
Who has range? Who has range? Who has range?
I do. Not me.
Runs 400.
You get in here. You guys stay in here. Let's go, me and you go. Come on.
Luca, stay here. We're gonna...
Shoot the top.
Hey, me and this guy.
Who's in this window?
Hey, me and Matthew are running. We're on top 3. Cover us. Ready?
Alright, hand.
Ready? I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
Don't leave me here. Don't. Alright, where are they at over there?
I don't know where everyone lives.
Well, not everyone can go left.
Hey, Anthony. Turn and look at this top, okay?
I can't get anything. Oh, wait.
Alright.
here. Kelly, watch the top story, okay? Got it.
Wait, hold on, where is he? Should I run across?
No, stay here. We need people over here.
Can you give me cover?
No, you're staying. We need people. Come on, man. We need people over here. You're not gonna do that.
Give me your pistol.
All right. Yeah.
Good.
Woo.
All right, here. Kelly, try to watch that top. Knock it. All right, hang on.
Oh crap. This gun's heavy.
Move out of the way! Hey, just move out of the way!
Yes, watch this side.
Hey, watch up top.
Where's he, Matthew?
Hey, dude, where are they at? Is there a lot of them?
You got that again? Alright.
Second story! Is it out?
Yeah.
Are you hit?
Only trace for you or what?
Are you hit?
Yep.
Okay.